Reddit users don't agree on a single opinion about Klover because experiences vary depending on account eligibility, cash advance approval, bank compatibility, and customer support interactions. By the end of this video, you'll know the most common themes that appear in Reddit discussions about Klover, and how to decide whether the app is a good fit for you. One of the most common positive comments is that users appreciate having access to cash advances when they qualify. Many Reddit discussions mention that the app is useful for covering short-term expenses, especially after completing account setup and linking a supported bank account successfully. On the other hand, many users also report frustration when they don't qualify for the advance amount they expected. A recurring point in Reddit conversations is that eligibility differs from one account to another. People often discover that approval, available advance amounts, and access to features depend on Klover's review of their individual account, rather than being the same for every user. Another topic that appears frequently is account setup. Some users say linking their bank account and completing verification was quick, while others mention delays caused by bank connection problems or additional identity verification requests. Those differences explain why reviews can be so inconsistent, even when people are using the same app. Customer support is another area where opinions vary. Some Reddit users describe receiving helpful responses after providing detailed account information, while others mention waiting longer than expected for replies during busy periods. Because support experiences depend on the type of issue and current support volume, it's common to see both positive and negative feedback in the same discussion. Many experienced Reddit users also recommend reading the requirements inside the app before requesting a cash advance. Understanding how eligibility works and checking your account status first can help avoid unrealistic expectations about approval or available advance amounts. If you're considering Klover, treat Reddit as a source of personal experiences rather than a guarantee of what will happen with your account. The best way to evaluate the app is to create an account, connect your supported bank account, complete any required verification, and review the eligibility information shown specifically for you. To recap, Reddit reviews of Klover are mixed rather than completely positive or negative. Most discussions focus on cash advance eligibility, bank account connections, verification, and customer support experiences. Comparing those reviews with the information shown in your own account will give you a much clearer picture than relying on a single post. If this review helped you understand what people are saying about Klover, like the video and subscribe for more app reviews, comparisons, and troubleshooting guides.